Hey, so hi, welcome. Today we're showcasing how to create scenes with multiple avatars.
Thanks, Sadia. It's a unique feature that adds depth to videos.
Exactly. Not many tools offer this. It's like having a whole cast in one environment.
And it's super easy to use. Just a few clicks and you're set.
Right. Let's dive in and show them how it's done.
Allow me to demonstrate how to do it quickly. To visit Colassian.com, click the link in the description below and then select Get Started. You can now use the tool for free even with a trial account, but your 5 minutes trial period is limited. Choose Drafts, then select New Draft, giving your video a name. Next, you can add another avatar to your scene and view your script or conversation toggle here. Use the trial account. You can add up to 4 avatars to a single scene. Select the voices of your avatars and choose your favorite ones. Even the mood feature is present in some of them. Following that, dialog windows with pauses will appear. Fill in your script for each avatar and select the pauses. I will go with 0.5 seconds. Similar to all the other video creation tools we have seen previously, you can add music and other features. I am going to pick a background that complements the action. Preview it after that if you would like. Once you are happy with the outcome, click Generate to view your created videos. I hope guys you like this video. In the next video, I will show you how to do this with cartoon animated avatars totally for free, which is perfect for children's stories or YouTube videos. Until then, happy creating and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.